Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Rob. In this video, I wanted to go through the new synth that maybe a lot of you have heard about called Vital. It is free and it's out there. It's going to be available November 24th, but I got it early because I stumbled across an offer. So stick around and I'll show you how to do that. It's another YouTube channel that's really quite a good YouTube channel, and he has a special offer for purchase. But you can get this for free. And it doesn't come with as many wavetables, but this is a wavetable synth. Basically what you do is you can go to your factory and you have go through all your wavetables here. Everything's broken down into filters here. But for today's purposes, I just want to focus on making a super saw, because I think that's the true test of a synth, if it can make a super saw for my purposes, for the kind of music that I like to make. Now, this synth is quite similar to Serum, but does it sound like Serum? Okay, so you've got unison. You've got up to 16 unison voices. You can adjust the detune. So let's keep this one at about 20. You can adjust the spread of your unison to have all your voices in the middle, or spread out to the sides of the detune. And then let's turn on another oscillator, and you can turn your pitch up 12 semitones to get a higher octave. Let's get 16 voices there, and I want this one maybe to be a little bit wider and a little bit more detune and not as loud. So all in all, it passed that test with flying colors. And it's got drag and drop automation. So right here, if I wanted to use one of the filters, you've got all your different filters here too. If I wanted to use one of the filters down here, I would just drag, like modulate with the envelope, just drag it on down here, and so on. And so if you wanted to get that deal, what you do is you go to this guy's YouTube page, and it's really a good YouTube channel. It's called In the Mix, and he's got a special deal with the developer of this synth to get it to you for $20, and he throws in his own personal, in fact, I'll show it to you here. In the Mix, he throws in some presets. So you get it for, it's normally you can get this synth for free, or you can pay $25 or $80, which is everything, all of the wavetables, all of the presets. So let's just play around with a few of his punch bass. And there's other two you got. Let's see here. Anyways, check it out. The guy's name is Matt Titel. Almost makes me want to call this synth Vital or Vital. Vital is good. I mean, it's a good synth. Actually, it's a great synth. So check it out. If you want to get it for free, they'll hook you up. I'll leave a link in the description. If you want to get that discount deal, you'll have to go to that other YouTube channel. And if you like this channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, hit that like button. It helps other people find my videos. It'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you very much.